she's got sticky feet to begin with. She's got the tape on there too. Just go. Is that a girl?
You want to go bathe? Say, come on. Let's go bathe.
Oh, we lost it.
Oh, we got
She's ready to play soccer.
And we should shuffle right through it.
Really?
Plop right through. Who cares about going around? Oh. That puppy talks.
That wasn't talking. I was making noise.
Sorry. Said hands. It just.
Did it? There we go. You have a new friend, Kaylee.
Hopefully we know that song.
Oh, he's spinning dancing.
Two ABC toys.
Well, if you don't like one person, she's got the other.
Who are you talking to? Aww. That wasn't him.
Suppose we'll have issues with a computer talking to her.
I say the phone clock is fixing my mouth.
Is it good? Oh, are you hungry? You want some cake?
Yeah? I'm taking pictures. Taking a video right now so we get everything that we decorated and